Carmen is playing with blocks. She arranges stacks of blocks so that each successive level of blocks has one fewer block than the level below it, and the top level has one block. Such a stack with 3 levels is shown below. Carmen wants to make such a stack with 12 levels. How many blocks would she use to build this stack? So one thing you can do is simply look at it visually, which a lot of us are good at being able to see things. So that's a good way to start. So you see level 1 has 1 block, level 2 has 2 blocks, level 3 has 3 blocks, and then of course you can very easily extrapolate the level 4 has 4 blocks, 5 blocks, etc. Now the shortcut to this is really to see that this is what's called an arithmetic series. So you've got 1 block plus 2 blocks plus 3 plus 4, and I won't write it all the way out, but if you do, you'll get this arithmetic series here. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 all the way to plus 12, because it'll be 12 blocks in level 12. So the formula for an arithmetic series, to sum an arithmetic series, is the first number plus the last number times the number of numbers, in this case there are 12 numbers, divided by 2. And if you do that out, you'll get 13 times 6, and that's where you get the answer, which is 78. So the answer is B. Sorry, that's really a terrible way to circle something, but you get the answer is B. So if you're wondering where this formula comes from, the first plus last times 12 divided by 2, you can take any arithmetic series. In this case, you can take this one because we already have it written out. And you can basically imagine putting one finger here on one hand, one finger here as well, and saying, okay, what do these add up to? 1 plus 12 is 13. Now move your fingers in one, there'll be an 11 here. Move a finger in here by 1, move a finger in here by 1 number, and you get 11 plus 2 is also 13. And guess what, if you do it again, 3 plus, this will be 10. 3 plus 10 is 13. So you're getting the first and last number that added up a bunch of times. How many times you get them is really the number of pairs. When I say pair, I mean you have a finger, you're imagining putting a finger on one of the numbers on the left, one of the numbers on the right, so that's a pair. You get this many pairs is simply the number of numbers, which in this case is 12, divided by 2. And this happens to work even with an odd number of numbers. So that's where the formula comes from, and you can very easily, if you remember that, you can very easily rederive it if you forget the formula itself, and you could come up with the answer, which again in this case is B.